Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix a network error has occurred error in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. The first thing you can try now is to just change your internet connection to mobile data, or you can say mobile hotspot, because sometimes changing the internet to mobile hotspot or mobile data could solve this problem. And if your problem still persists, then the second thing you can try is to change your DNS server. Like, just go to the search bar, type your view network connections, hit right click on the internet, go to properties, and you're gonna see pop up like this. So we need to click on this one, internet protocol version 4. After clicking on that, just select the option use the following DNS server addresses, and here we need to type 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS server will be 8.8.4.4. click on OK again. Now close this and try to launch your game. Even if you are playing on console, you just need to basically change your DNS address. For that, you can go to network, and there you will able to change the DNS address, and the DNS address will be the same 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After trying that, relaunch the game on your console and the problem should be fixed there. Next, if you're playing on PC, then just hit right click on the launcher from where you have downloaded the game and just run it as administrator, because sometimes doing this solve the problem like this. If your problem persists, then just open the launcher, go to library and just hit right click on your game, go to properties and select this option installed files. Here you're gonna see the option like this, verify integrity of game files, or basically you just need to repair the game. So in Steam you need to click on this option, verify integrity of game files. Now just let this process finish, and once it is done, just you have to launch the game and see if your problem solved or not. So yeah, that's all there is to it. These were some solutions which you can try to solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.